I haven't let my heart calm down. I went out to get the eggs. I walked into the hoop house thing there that I got built, and I'm sitting down, and I noticed that the eggs are always, the nests are always so clean, and the eggs is always perfect laying there. And I was looking, I said, well, why is the grass all messed up in it? And there was nothing but eggshells. And I was throwing them out. I'm like, why is it just eggshells? And I looked right beside me, and here's this skunk just sitting there looking up at me. And I'm like...
And no, he don't smell right at the moment.
No, I didn't get sprayed. You know, he was just sitting there just looking at me. And I'm like, oh boy, you know. So I just started walking quietly side by side, and I stepped out of there, and because I had done poured the feed and everything, you know, in their feed troughs, and I walked to the house and got the gun, and now I can't get him out of the hoop thing, and I ain't about to shoot him in there, because it's going to stink this whole place up around here. I'm trying to get where I can see.
The chickens is even backed up. They says,
Yeah, come here and look at this. Look, sitting right yonder.
Okay. Gosh, he's...
See him sitting there? He's just hiding.
If you could shoot from here, but he's going to spray.
I could get my .22 and shoot him, but he's going to spray when I do, unless I kill him instantly. And if he sprays in there, I dadgum sure ain't going in there after him.
And we're talking about weeks of stink.
Yeah, because that's going to get all over you.
So how do you cox a skunk out of a building? How would you cox him out?
I don't know.
Food?
No, because there's food already in the feed. I done fed the trough.
The light.
He's right here.
The light don't mess with him?
No.
So he didn't get in from out here.
No, I don't know how he got in there.
Unless he climbed over.
He had to climb over. He literally had to climb over the fence. Because there's no holes dug under the fence. Well, hold on, I say that.
Might be one. Yep.
No. There is not a hole around this fence anywhere dug under it.
Well, he needs to get his butt out and go somewhere. Well,
Man, I hate to have to shoot that thing in there. Because once he stinks that up,
that's a
you
stinking.
know how the barn is. The barn stinks from
a year ago.
It still smells. And if he sprays them walls in there, it's right here at the back door of the house.
Yeah, the beauty of having it right next to the house. The smell from hell is what I'd call it. He ain't wanting to come out.
I can't see him until if he moves.
Did you get it?
I hate to have to do that.
He's in the building, but he didn't spray, so.
Well, he hasn't released yet.
He will in a minute if you could get him out, but you don't want to be that.
He still, his legs still want to move a little bit, but I tried to kill him instantly. You know, a lot of times you can kill him instant.
But they do release sometimes.
Yeah, they do release.
Okay, I'm starting to, oh, that's gunpowder. Never mind.
Gunpowder.
I'm like, smell happy. I smell something, I'm running. Now, I don't know how you're going to get him out. You got a long something you can reach and pull him out and pitch him over the side at least?
Well.
All right, now it's the smell started. I just got a whiff.
Yeah, that's bad. Ooh, is it bad?
Gotta hope your chickens don't get out. Y'all hear me breathing heavy. It's because I'm holding my nose. It's starting to get rough. I'm trying to breathe through my mouth. He's got a long pole, pulling that thing out. And I'm zooming from a distance, y'all, and I can still smell it. It didn't spray for about 5 minutes or so.
Problem is, I can't get it over this darn 2x4.
Okay, the wind keeps changing. How are you breathing? Not very good.
It won't hook it.
That was the older one, wasn't it?
Jesus Christ.
I can't breathe either, but I hope you don't smell, but
Oh my gosh, I got my breath.
you was holding yours for a while, wasn't you? Like, breathe.
Holy crap.
The things we had to do on the homestead, huh?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, this is a smell from hell. It just, ooh. And y'all wondering where Lucy is? She's in the courtyard. We can't have her out here, and this has got to go somewhere she can't find it. Don't just pitch it. Lay it on the back of the Ranger and take it off, or else you know who will. It needs to go on the other side of the property.
I just don't want to get all of my Ranger.
That's one old skunk, ain't it?
That's old.
Just don't dump it while you riding.